ሰላም ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? የቲክቶክ ተከታታዮቻችን ዛሬ በ12ኛ ሀገር አቀፍ ፈተና የመጣ አንድ የሂሳብ ጥያቄ እንሰራለን። ፔጁን ፎሎ፣ ላይክ፣ ኮመንት ኤንድ ኮፒ ሊንክ እያደረጋችሁ ለ12ኛ ክፍል ተፈታኝ ተማሪዎች እንድታጋሩ እያሳሰብኩኝ ወደ ጥያቄው ይሄዳለሁ። What is the area of equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle of radius 4 units? A 6 times square root of 3 square units. B 12 times square root of 3 square units. C 12 square units and D 36 square units. To find the area of equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle, let's first draw a circle with inscribed equilateral triangle. Let's draw the radius from the center of a circle and there is also another radius R, then the angle between the two radii, which is the central angle, that means theta, where theta, which is equal to 360 degree over n. So the area of an n-sided regular polygon inscribed in a circle of radius R is given by A is equal to half of n times R the power of 2 times sine of 360 degree over n, where n is what? The number of side of a regular polygon, which is what? The set of natural number. In this problem, an equilateral triangle is what? It is a three-sided regular polygon. So area is equal to half of 3 times R the power of 2 times sine of 360 degree over n, where n is what? 3. So this reduced to 3 over 2 times R the power of 2 times sine of 120 degree. But 120 degree cannot be less on the first quadrant, so we need to find the reference angle. So to find that, we use 180 degree minus 120 degree. So the reference angle is 60 degree, but sine is positive in the second quadrant. So the area, which is equal to 3 over 2 times R the power of 2 times sine of 60 degree. So sine of 60 degree, which is equal to square root of 3 over 2, because 60 degrees is a special angle. So the area, which is equal to 3 times square root of 3 over 4 times the radius, the whole square. But the radius is 4 units, so the square of R, which is equal to 60 square units. Now substitute the values of R the power of 2, and we have the area, which is equal to 3 times the square root of 3 over 4 times 60 square units. Then by 4 1 by 4 60, it is 4, so 4 times 3 it is 12 times square root of 3. Therefore the area of an equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle of radius 4 units, which is equal to 12 times square root of 3 square units. Therefore the correct choice for this problem is choice B.